Hi friends, இப்போ நம்ம ட்ரிபிள் மைக்ரோப்ராசரில் some of the MCA questions வந்து in the 8237 direct memory access என்ற டாப்பிக்கில் பார்க்க போகிறோம். Programmable DMA interface. ஸோ இதை பற்றி இன்ட்ரொடக்ஷன் வந்து நம்ம ப்ரீவியஸ் வீடியோஸ்லாம் பார்த்தோம். ஸோ ஸ்ட்ரெயிட்டாகவே இப்போ MCQ கொஷின்ஸ்க்கு போயிடலாம். First question, each bit in the request register is cleared by answer D, all of the mentioned. So in the request register, each bit is either set or reset under program control, or it is going to be cleared upon the generation of a TC or an external EOP, that is end of process. TC for terminal count. So answer D, all of the mentioned. Next question, the register that holds the data during memory to memory data transfer is answer B, that is a temporary register. So the temporary register that is going to hold the data during memory to memory data transfer. So after the completion of the transfer operation, so last word pathina that is going to be transferred remains in the temporary register. So till it is going to be cleared by a reset operation. So last word on the temporary register le irukum, that is cleared by a reset operation. Next question, the register that keeps track of all the DMA channel pending request and the status of their terminal count is answer C, status register. So status register that is going to keep track of all the DMA channel pending request and also the status of their terminal counts. These are cleared upon reset. So status register namak theriyum, that is going to be used for the read operation. Control word register that is going to be used for the write operation. Next question, the pin that clears the command request and temporary registers and internal first last flip-flop when it is set is that is going to be reset. So explanation, a high on the reset pin that is going to clear the command, status register, request, temporary register and also internal first and last flip-flop. So answer is D, reset. Next question, the DMA request input pin that has the highest priority is, that is a DMA request 0. So that is going to be the highest priority, where DMA request 3 that is going to be the lowest priority. So the priorities of this DMA request lines is programmable. Next question, when interface 8237 does not have any valid pending DMA request, then it is going to be set to be ideal state. So interface பண்ணும்போது, so there is no valid pending request அப்படி இருக்கும்போது, so that time this 8237 DMA that is going to be in ideal state. So answer C. Next question, to complete a DMA transfer, a memory to memory transfer requires a read from and write to memory cycle. So answer is C. A memory to memory transfer is a 2-cycle operation and it requires a read from and write to memory cycle to complete each DMA transfer. For all the DMA transfer, this memory to memory transfer that is going to be a 2-cycle operation, it requires read from and write to memory cycle. So answer is C. Next question, in demand transfer mode of 8237, the device stops data transfer when answer D, all of the mentioned. So in demand transfer mode of 8237, the device continues transfer till a TC, terminal count, is going to be reached, or an external end of process EOP that is going to be detected, that is going to be found, or the DMA request signal that goes inactive. So answer D, all of the mentioned. Next question, the mode of 8237 DMA in which the device transfers only 1 byte per request is. So 1 byte namakku theriyum, that is going to be 8 bits. ஸோ இங்கே ஆன்சர் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பி, சிங்கிள் ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் மோடு. ஸோ ஏற்கனவே ப்ரீவியஸ் வீடியோஸ்லேயும் நம்ம இந்த கொஷின்ஸ் பற்றிலாம் நம்ம பார்த்துருக்கோம். ஸோ இன் சிங்கிள் மோட் த டிவைஸ் ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர்ஸ் ஒன்லி 1 byte பர் ரெக்வஸ்ட் அப்படின்னு வரும்போது தட் இஸ் கோயிங் டு பி அ சிங்கிள் ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் மோட் தான். ஸோ ஃபார் ஈச் ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் த DMA request must be active until the DMA acknowledgement that is going to be activated. ஸோ DMA request வந்து ஆக்டிவில் இருக்கும் எப்போ வரைக்கும்னா DMA acknowledgement ஆக்டிவ் ஆகிற வரைக்கும். Next question, the transfer of a block of data from one set of memory address to another takes place in answer C, memory to memory transfer mode. So explanation, to perform the transfer of a block of data from one set of memory address to another memory address. So this transfer mode is going to be used, that is a memory to memory transfer mode. Answer C. Next question, which of the following command is used to make all the internal registers of 8237 clear? Answer B, master clear command. Explanation, using this master clear command, all the internal registers of 8237 DMA are cleared, but while all the bits of the mask register are set. So internal registers எல்லாமே clear ஆயிடும், ஆனா mask register that is going to be set. நன்றி, வணக்கம்.